here we are at the end of 2023. Already time to start thinking about what's going to happen in the new year. Maybe some basic plans or ideas. As far as I can see is that this year, 2023, has been a tough one. A lot of lessons learned about taking responsibility because nobody else, governments and economies and all of that sort of thing, no one seems to be looking out for us, so we have to look out for ourselves. And one of the important areas we have to consider is our art and creativity. So I'm looking at the new year as a year of creative awakening. Think about what you're going to do in this year that is creative, that is going to be an outlet for your creative inspiration. If you are thinking about it, take some action steps today. Get a pen and paper and make a note of some of the things you want to get done by the end of January 2024. Action is what it's about. There are many people just like us who are ready to help and give some support and moral support and also some guidance as well if required. I hope that 2024 becomes a worldwide creative awakening, and that will hopefully make for a much better year ahead.